What if the best classrooms didn't have walls? What if the greatest lessons came not from the screen but from wind, the trees, and the soil beneath our feet? Outdoor and nature classrooms reconnect students with natural world. They awaken curiosity, encourage movement, and foster a lifelong love of learning. Whether it's observing pollinators in action, measuring plant growth, or learning how weather shapes the world around us, these experiences spark deeper understanding. Outdoor learning builds resilience, confidence, and empathy. It supports mental health, improves focus, and enhances academic outcomes naturally. Nature classrooms are adaptable for every subject, every age, and every ability. I see students come alive out here. They collaborate more, they ask better questions, and they remember what they learn. Nature has always been our greatest teacher. It's time we bring learning back outside.